Hi everyone. The problem we are going to address today is climate change. Climate change has now started playing the major role in intensifying weather events. Few of them are deadly heat waves, increased droughts, flash floods, landslides, cyclones, and wildfires. India is among top 10 most affected countries in the world. Even today, many people don't know anything about climate change. They don't even care to listen about it, even though the lives of people and all other creatures are going to be impacted severely by climate change alone. Climate change is not about life or death. It is more about the circumstances and surroundings we will live in. And the current projected future shows us that life in the coming years would be full of pain and misery. In today's video, I am going to cover only one aspect of climate change, which is heat wave. Every heat wave occurring today is made more likely and more intense by human induced climate change. And these are not my words. You must have heard about the latest events happened just a month ago. In both Canada and Moscow, new records have been set this month. In Canada alone, 49.6 degrees Celsius has been recorded and 500 people have died due to this record heat wave. Local healthcare centers were flooded with the cases of unconsciousness, dehydration, chest pain, bloody nose, and many other heat related problems. There is a bad news for those people who think they can withstand high temperatures if they maintain their bodies well. Normal human body temperature is 36.8 degrees Celsius or 98.4 degree Fahrenheit. For most of thermometers, temperature scale is in degree Fahrenheit. This normal body temperature will be stable only if skin temperature is less than 35 degrees Celsius. Now you must be thinking, how is it possible? As you might have seen temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius and even then you are fit and fine. Let's understand this a little deeper. In summers, all of us sweat, and this very sweating helps our body cool down. There are two factors which make us feel hot, that is, humidity and temperature. Normally, when temperature goes beyond 35 degrees Celsius, that is in drier or less humidity, then our body sweats and thus cools down automatically. But if the humidity at a particular temperature is 100%, that is, warm air can no longer carry water vapor, then our bodies can't even sweat. This particular temperature is called wet bulb temperature. Now, in case of human beings, if wet bulb temperature reaches 35 degrees Celsius, then our bodies can't even sweat. Now, this scenario is fatal for people even if they are sitting under shade near a fan. Above 32 degrees Celsius alone, no one will go outside and people will stay indoors as if there is some curfew. Parents won't be allowing their children to go outside, and labor or people working outside will stop their work. In Europe, in 2003, 70,000 people died in just a month due to heat wave. At that time, wet bulb temperature was just 28 degrees Celsius. Due to global warming, both temperature and humidity are increasing. Till today, there are some regions in the world which have recorded about 32 degrees Celsius wet bulb temperature. Here are maps of India under various scenarios. Maps are showing wet bulb temperature across India till the year 2100. The way we are dealing right now with global warming leads to the third map, which is the most dangerous scenario anyone can think of. Heat wave is the most dangerous out of all effects of climate change. Heat wave first causes fever, then hyperthermia, and finally multiple organ failures. For those who don't know what hyperthermia is, hyperthermia causes increased heart rate, low blood pressure, increased respiration rate, dehydration, mental confusion, and in some cases, even coma. If anyone is interested in reading how heat wave can kill human beings, here is an article, and I have also provided the link in reference. There are plenty of facts and figures showing us reality, but what is missing is the lack of action on ground level to reduce global warming. Share this video so that people can become aware of the upcoming future. If anyone has ever seen symptoms of heat stroke, kindly write in the comments so that other people may know the pain. Subscribe this channel and please become a part of the movement.